Product and quotient rule. Product and quotient rule are calculus rules that help you differentiate functions that are product or quotient of other functions. Yung product rule, used when differentiating the product of two functions. And ang quotient rule, used when differentiating the quotient of two functions. So, product rule muna, at ito yung gagamitin formula para sa product rule. Kaya meron tayo isang example, which is finding the derivative of x squared and sin x. So, ang x squared dito is yung f. Ito f. And yung sin x dito is yung g. Kaya, para mahanapin yung derivative, kaya kailangan natin hanapin yung derivative nito at yung derivative ng sin x. Kaya first, yung f nila, which is f ng x squared, and yung derivative, yung f prime is 2x. Next is sin x equals sin x, and yung derivative niya is cosine x. Ayan. Now, magagamit natin itong formula na to. Which is yung una is yung f, x squared, 2x pala, times yung g, sin x, plus f, x squared, and g of prime, sin x. So, ayun yung pwedeng answer. Pwede rin ito, isang example natin na finding the derivative of 5x minus 9x cubed, tapos 8 plus x squared. Ayan. So, dito naman, ito naman yung buo na to. Ayan yung f. At ito naman yung g. So, parang mas madali. Hindi na yung parang gaganto yung ganyan. Ito naman yung gaya na to. Nyari ito. First, hanapin muna yung derivatives ng 5x and 9x cubed na magiging 5 minus 27x squared times kapito 8 plus x squared plus uli, then yung copy naman to minus 9x cubed, then yung derivative naman pattern lang, parang yan. Ay, mali ulit, naging 2x yan, sorry. So, ayan, ano na yung pwedeng maging answer. Next is quotient rule. So, ito ang ginagamit na formula para sa quotient rule. This is g times f of prime minus f times d of prime over g squared. So, meron tayo isang example dito. Finding the derivative of 7x plus 4 over x squared plus 5. So, ito yung f. At ito naman yung g. Kaya, gawin natin, hanapin natin derivative na ito. Ayan. So, hanapin mo natin yung f, tapos yung f prime, tapos yung g, at yung g prime. So, f natin yung 7x plus 14, 4. And, yung derivative nito is 7. Next is sa g prime, sa g naman, is x squared plus 5. Pag derivative, magiging 2x. So, gagawin natin itong formula na to. So, g muna, x squared plus 5 times 7 minus, ito ulit, ano naman tayo, 7x plus 4 times 2x over, ay, mali, x squared plus 5 raised to 2. So, ito na yung pwedeng last answer. Answer kasi naka-derivative naman siya. Naka-derivative na. Pero pwede naman din yung i-continue o i-simplified. So, ngayon, isi-simplify natin. Kaya magiging ano to? X squared times 7 is 7x squared plus 5 times 7, 35 minus 7x magiging 14x squared minus tapos 4 times 2 is 8x magiging minus pala kasi minus to. So 8x over x squared plus 5. Yan. So next naman is i-minus to. And yun na. Pag inayos magiging negative 7x squared minus 8x plus 35 over x squared plus 5 raised to 2. So, ayun na yung pwedeng final answer sa quotient rule.